Yep. Okay. So my buddy's got this 2011 Toyota RAV4. It's stock. It's basically the entry-level model. And he was driving along. How many miles were on it, Mike? You're on it now. 172,000 miles. He was driving along down the road, and slowly but surely the vehicle started losing power. Or slowing down, actually. Not losing power, but slowing down. And his transmission began to make a sound. And here's the sound. Do it, Mike. It's coming from about there. All right, stop, Mike. Same sound in any gear, right? So that's reverse. And that's in drive. So, any thoughts? We're going to pull the codes in a second. And if anything shows up on that, I'll append it to this video. But if anybody has any thoughts, we'd appreciate it. Okay, John out. Bye.